Hey, we're back. Unexpected, unwanted day off work, but there you go. Get something done on here. My mate's got to skip it. There's still some snow there. My mate's got a skip in his garden, so I've got a couple of bags of rubbish on here. I'm going to tidy up a bit today. And it's pitch black in it. It's about 7:30. We've got light in it anyway. So I've got a breather. Like it's still bang up there, 12 volts. It's 7:20. When it starts coming light, we'll give it a good tidy around here. And all that wood piled on. All these bits of rubbish. But spick and span, I'll not waste my day off. But, it'll be about another half an hour till it's dry, so probably another 2 brews. Hey, we'll plant some peas. So all I've done, we've got this length to go to here. I've just cut some polystyrene out, just block each end up, nice and tight. We'll fill that with compost. And whack a load of peas in. I'll mix some compost in with vermiculite and then we'll get some in. I'm down this bed here. Yeah, so it's just compost and vermiculite. Nice little light mix. Put a row at the bottom. This is just Romo, just granulated. So a little bit of that. There's hungry plants, peas, and once they get going, there's a bin here, but you want to see. Once they get going, they've been eating some food, so I stick that at the bottom. Halfway up, halfway up then. Bit of cleaner. Keep them busy. Oops, the end's dropped too. And mess it about. We've got some peas, some transfers. Place for everything and everything in its place. The screen shot. These. Early. So February or June. So we're sowing them in here, so off we go. Don't drop one in that compost. I'll just do them in like a dice pattern, 5. If there's any spur in the bucket, I'll just fill them in. A nice thick pattern because we want it nice and full. We'll put all them together. not be exact, obviously. And when these are done in a couple of months, all I'll do, I'll just dig a trench near that big fence over there, and just wet it, and then they'll just slide into the trench, because all the roots will be matted underneath. Hopefully. I'm going to have to cover this with a net as well, because the mice will be in here once they sniff them. They'll be taking them out before they've grown. I'm going to really fill this. I want it chomped up, as I like our peas. Yeah, loads in here. Put that down with another row, I think. Nice and relaxing, this, away from the world. If I shut that door, I wouldn't be able to hear them cars on that road. I've come here for fresh air, not to be locked in. I'll just go outside in between them now, fill it up. If there's any gaps. We should have a good germination rate on these, nearly 100%. As I'll do, I'll cover this with plastic, put some net over it, and then cover it with a plastic sheet, a farm one, and then it should be like a mini propagator for them. Keep it nice and damp, give it a good water in a bit. We don't really need drainage holes in this. Once these get going, there's a load in here, so they'll soak it up in more time, so we'll safe watering them. Stick them on a tray. They'll take what they want. I think that's about full now, so what I'll do now is just go around popping them all in. Just top of your fingers depth, about an inch. Just imagine you pointed to someone's head, no, I won't comply. It's relaxing, therapeutic. Recommend it to anybody. Not a bad day off work anyway. I've had worse. And that's it. And sprinkle of compost. Now discard it from that house. Just enough compost mix there. No bad judgment. pop off a screw in either end of them. Give it a good water, pop it in the thing, off we go. That's our peas in. Right, that's just had a good soak there, so I'll just let that drain off a minute there. I'll sort one of these trays out, so just about fit across one of them, and I'll find some plastic for it. Brew time first. Gonna put the kettle on. Get that brew in there. Get a mess in here. Well, I thought I'd kill two birds with one stone. I found a bit of this polycarbonate knocking about, so I'll just cut it in strips. Put 2 pieces of wood on, and that'll just it just lifts off. See, nice and easy. Stick it back on, check them. But if I clean that up in a minute, which I will do, just full of paint and everything, so I'll give that a good clean up, and we'll be able to see when they pop through. As soon as they pop through, that can come off and that can go on. Yeah, it's alright, isn't it? Little pea propagator. I thought you said that. Proper inventor, me. It'll do that though, won't it? Melting. There you go. Clean enough. Let that through. And before anybody says there's a gap in the, you see, I separated that middle one. There's a gap in between. So I'll get it air in, sorry. Now I'm just going to stick a strap round there, nice and loose, just so them mice can't push it off, because they will try to push it off. They won't push it off in the middle there. They might push it up there and push it off, so safety first. Yeah, so all I've done, I've just tied 2 together, and it's just a strap that goes under. Just stops them being able to lift it off. Knock it in there now, because they will smell them a mile off. I don't know how they do it, mice. They might try to chew through there, but can't do anything about that. Well, I could put wood there, but I don't think they're that bad, mice. I put 2 screws in anyway, so they can't push it off. And that'll do. Right, I'm on this brew. Need to tidy it up in that corner. Took all that wood off that table. Just waiting for a delivery of stone there. I'll tidy all this up now. I'll order some stone ready for a weekend now, if I can. Friday or Saturday. And it'll only take me an hour to get rid of it. Ton of stone. This part's barrowing it at the top here. I think there's about 30 barrows in a ton. So, oh, flag's flying. So I'll look at it. There's about 30 barrows in a ton, so 30 barrows will do me. It's £1 a barrow, innit? That's £30. Stop flying now. Need some stone in that all. That's stock now. Shortly. Get down there. There you go. Picture at Platt. From top of Tony's shed that. And there's that on. So when it flies. Got that bit of rubbish there. I've got this rubbish here, so fingers crossed the mate will let me put them in the skip. One of this little bit here. Just that bit. And them 2 bits on that bin. I'm going to look at these sprouts here. You've been in about, got them off Joe last spring. Look at the size of them. A bit cruddy, they want to wash, but look at the size of them. Bonnie sprouts there, pity I don't want to eat them. Might take some off for sure, surely eat some. She'll need them with a Sunday dinner, won't she? This Sunday. Let's see if she'll have some. Yeah. Just been growing all winter. Funny, aren't they? That's sculptures. Yeah, they're coming out Sunday. I keep saying, look there this Sunday. If weather's alright. So I think that's everywhere now. Got rid of all rubbish. Let's sort pots together there. Got hundreds of them. I've got some more at home too, some of them square ones. I'll bring them up. Just need some stone pot, fill this hole in here and then chop up. Down that path mainly. Where else is pretty like that? It's alright down there, with a couple of barrow wind here, round there. So, wind. So that's Jonathan wash. Yeah, still got some smaller, isn't it? It's hanging on, isn't it? Wheat. I found something else. Excuse me, do brew. I've just had that part over a boiling kettle lot, and the steam comes out of there. Yeah. And that part's gone supple as anything now, so hopefully I'll be able to put that on that thing in a minute. Make that brew in a minute. There you go. Quick 2 seconds over to kettle. There you go. That was a good area, I can't remember who it was. You'll recognise yourself, because you suggested it. Put it over the kettle, and it did work. Can't remember who it was. There's a few videos back. You go anywhere. Just have sealed that now with silicone. I've got something car. I'm going to go get it in a minute. Hold it up without rubbish, but first. Yeah, I've only just noticed these. Sneaky Henry. You sneak these in. Look at that one. Hang on, what have we got here? NHS Big Onion. H Keeper 2008. It's heavy that. NSHS. New Springs Horticultural Society. That's what it is. Just try to look it out then. Runner up 2005 H Keeper. Nice. That's heavy as well. Yeah, I've got 2 at home as well, Henry. I'll bring them up. And we'll have them on there. See if we can get some more this year. If competition's on. Yeah, they're good them, Henry. Belted. Yeah. We've got Lecky up here now. 12.8, 12.9 volts. But I've not brought my charger for my drill. Like an idiot. Totally off grid us. Look at that, 13.1. Ooh, lapping up. Good that solar, isn't it? Look at that. Racking. Right, won't put that rubbish in car. Right, all that stuff's in car now. Well, I'm back at pickup. There's Uncle Joe from Mexico. Looks busy, doesn't it? Well, these carrots have been in here for months. So, oh, it's wet that. I'm going to take some out for Joe next door because they're alright, these. Look at them, coming out okay. So, take some for Joe and that's no good. I'm sure his mum if she wants some. Yeah, they're doing alright in there, short and stumpy, but that's carrots. Make a meal. I just planted them in here because later on last year, and they're doing okay. About length of my finger. They've been growing all winter, so they've had no sun really to speak of. And what's in there? So like, they're only short ones in there. I don't know, it's a couple of big ones. Okay. See what I did with these, we just planted them in bunches. They seem to be growing straight down. Put all this soil out of these, I'll put in that carrot bed, not doing it, polytunnel. See what we get out of it. Still coming. It's that little dumpy ones, but not so bad. We'll live with them. Still a bit of frost on that ground. I'll leave some for Henry. Guess he wants some. And that'll do us. Leave the rest for Henry. Couple been eaten. There you go, a nice bunch there. One wash them, put them in a bag. Not bad. There's gone Joe. Yeah, get a meal out of that. Still iced up this. There you go, there's them. Right, we've just been to Tesco for them. I'll get them in a bag. Right, do my good neighbourly thing for the day. Them there for next door neighbour Joe and Carol. They're an elderly couple and they don't get out. Well, since this lockdown they don't get out anywhere. They're stuck at house. So a bit of fresh veg from there. Make a stew with that or something. It's my good deed for the day. Right, kettle. Yeah, I've just seen that wise old elf again. Still a gander. Have a socially distanced chat. He's wandering about in the undergrowth. That David Bellamy. Don't know what he's doing. Sorry, coughing fit. Them seeds have come up through at home, they've started. The tomatoes, them sun gold I think what Tony planted. They're the first ones, so I'll show you them when I get back. Go have that brew and then get back. So I'll see you back at the ranch. We're here, back at the ranch. I'll put my head torch on them now, you'll see them. Can you see them? Tomato, sun gold, and then in here, if you look there, there's some, whatever. No, it's not that one, it's this one I think. There we go. Just for that one. Have a leak. So there's something in one of these. I can't see for leaking there. Yeah, there was something else through. But there's tomatoes anyway. So it's nice and warm in here. I'm going to spray alarm here. Two little babies. Isn't that water, see? It's a handy little pipe heater, that. It's only 25 watts. Oh, sorry, I've got a cig in my mouth. No onion movement yet. There you go anyway. So I'll finish that off and see you later.